Hi, my name is Manny Medina, MarineMax Miami, and today I want to show you this 21 SPX with the outboard engine. This particular model has the upgraded 200 horsepower. It's a V6 engine, late generation for Mercury. Very quiet, very fuel efficient, very easy to handle, a lot of torque, good for skiing and carrying a lot of people. Notice the boat has a big swing platform in the back. Also, it has an entrance that makes it safer and better because you don't have to climb over cushions like in other boats. Everything is non-skid. It has a sand deck, and this boat has a lot of storage everywhere. Very deep storage compartments here, more under the seat. You can put fenders, lines, shoes, inflatable toys when they are deflated. It also has the benefit here that it has a backrest that you can sit down as you chill, watch the children swimming. And when you're ready for the storage, huge amount of storage. The boat comes with the full covers. It has the cushion to make the front area a full sunbathing area. Very cushiony, very thick. Has a cooler. All the stainless steel hardware, stainless steel drink holders, lights, LED lighting decorations. It has a cooler under that seat also. The difference with the 19, this one has room for 3 more people inside. Notice how tall is the beam in the top, how large, more than 7 feet. Very quiet on the water, makes no noises. When the boat makes no noise, you don't feel something is breaking apart. And it has this conversion seat. Stop it, stop it. Can you stop it? Okay, 3, 2, 1. It has this conversion seat that you can either face forward, have somebody sitting in the back, and make it into a beautiful sunbathing area. More seating. Pilot seat, adjustable, faces back. It has these bolsters so you're driving over the windshield. GPS, fish finder, engine controls, adjustable steering wheel. Notice the decoration, the seating, the cushions. There is no exposed fiberglass on the inside of this boat under the seats. Has an anchor locker, a lot of storage under the forward cushions also. This one has nice packages. It's a very nice option boat. Please, anything you need, call us, MarineMax Miami. My name is Manny Medina, 305-775-1310. Thank you for watching.